Welcome back to a Christmas Eve episode of Bunker Bar Review.
Hey,
Hey, happy Christmas Eve.
I'm Casey and this is my wife Heather.
Hi guys.
Tonight we're going to be making a drink called Winter's Veil. What it entails is green chartreuse, which we can't get because I guess the monks in France aren't making it right now. So the closest thing we got here is called bonne.1. It is also an herbal liqueur from France. We picked this up at Battleborn Wine and Liquor. Thanks to Troy Phillips over there for giving us a good alternative. So it's that, blackberry syrup, some Empress gin, and some lime juice. So we're going to go ahead and make that and tell you what we think of it. So we're going to start out with 2 ounces of the Empress gin. If I can open the fucking bottle. I got it. So we're going to dump in 2 ounces of that. I'm going to do, what was it, 3/4 of an ounce of blackberry syrup?
Correct.
Okay. 3/4 of an ounce of blackberry syrup. There we have it. A 1/4 ounce of green chartreuse, which we don't have, so we're using this. Never had this before. It smells very interesting, so it's a 1/4 ounce of that. Just about there. And then he said, how much lime juice? 1/4 ounce?
Correct.
Yeah. Then a 1/4 ounce of lime juice. Give that a nice little shake and pour it over ice and let you know what we think about it. It'll be nice and cold. Look at that.
Alright. Glasses by Battleborn.
Yeah, from Battleborn Wine. Very interesting color. All right. Here's what she looks like. Smells
earthy.
very herbal. You get the blackberry in there, you get the gin in there. And the Empress gin is a botanical gin, so there's a lot of flowers and other stuff in it.
It smells like bushes.
So that mixed with this, which was very it almost smelled minty. It's made with, well, let's see, 26 different plants, roots, and spices in the Dijon region of France. The process has remained a secret since 1874. So
it's basically medicinal.
It's medicine. So we'll go ahead and give that a try.
Oh, I don't hate it.
It's actually,
it's not bad.
Um,
It has like a little bit of a
it tastes
sting
like
after.
it kind of tastes like medicine. It's hard to explain what that tastes like. Go back for another one.
It's really mellow.
You get the sweetness from the blackberry syrup. The gin doesn't really come through really at all, which is interesting. I think you get more of the bonne in there more than the gin, which is surprising because gin's a pretty strong flavor usually.
I really like it actually.
But it kind of tastes like blackberry honey.
I've never had that, but I can assume it tastes like this.
Well, and that's what I would say it tastes like.
But it's good. I mean, out of 10, I'd give it a 9.
Yeah, I'd definitely make it again. It's very interesting. I can't really relate it to anything I've had before. Yeah, I'll go ahead and give it a 8.5, 9.
It's a good Christmas Eve cocktail.
Good holiday drink. It's kind of nice and sweet to be a good nightcap. It's crazy because, like I said, the gin doesn't come through in it at all, which is kind of crazy. But it's very good. So we recommend it. Again, it was called Winter's Veil.
And we'll leave the recipe in the caption.
If you can't get chartreuse, see if you can find this. Chartreuse is very expensive. If you can find it, probably about $150, $160. This was like $59. And it's a good alternative to it. So we recommend it, and we'll see you after Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
See you later.